All right, guys, well, I'm sure you know already, but if you don't, you can win this truck right here, our beautiful 2022 fully loaded Denali with all the goodies, plus 10 grand in cash. All you have to do is go to the website, 717supply.com, link down below, get anything on the website, anything, and it all automatically counts for you to win the truck and the money. But you gotta do it before time runs out, so hit that link right now. Good luck, guys, and maybe I'll be seeing you very soon to give you the keys to your new truck and to hand you 10 grand in cash. My God, talk about an exciting day. Hope all of you are having an awesome day so far. Today we are taking delivery of a brand new supercar, and not just any one, a yellow one, and a car from my favorite brand ever. I sold my SVJ a while ago, and I've been really wanting to get another supercar to replace that ever since, and today I finally do that. Now this one isn't going to be only a drive around supercar, if that makes sense. Like my SVJ wasn't really a big content maker or build on the channel. This one's going to be a build. Now it won't happen right away because it's going to be a very expensive one, but eventually on the channel, like within 6 months, it'll be a very epic build. My most insane car ever by far. I'm sure it's pretty obvious, but yes, I am very, very excited. It's also a beautiful day, gorgeous out. I mean, this is going to be automotive perfection driving this car home. Also, new shirt, Bakery M4, available on the website, 717supply.com, link down below. This shirt could get you a 2022 Denali and 10 grand in cash. Now, with that being said, let's go. Got something a little different today in the drink department. Rain Inferno Red Dragon. Rain sent me a bunch of drinks. I'm trying them all, and I like that one. Now, being a supercar day, I feel like maybe we should take the Urbus and not the truck. TRX, I love you, but I think the Urbus would be really good for today. We're ready. I think my car might sound a little weak next to the Urus. Woo! At first, anyway. Now, eventually, my car is going to be really loud and crazy, but at first, it's hard to beat this. Really loud. All right, Urus now, full of fuel. We're ready. Okay, Ladash. It's delivery day. Pack your bags. Pack your things. We're going. Get your snacks. Get your drinks. Get your tea. Get your hat.
I see an Urus.
Camera. Urbus. Yes, Urbus is here.
Oh God.
New car coming. I can't film every single one, but I know. Britt, I'm here. I'm here to help. I'm not going to show the first and last names, but you can probably see the big numbers there. The orders. Those people are all getting $100. Oh, there you go.
The order number.
The numbers right there.
And then you can really show it.
It's pretty cool. And you picked all kinds of random, like didn't matter what they ordered. Some key tags, some shirts.
Some people just got a key tag. Some people got like a couple shirts and other stuff.
You lucky numbers right there. You're getting $100 in your order. And when you find it, feel free to post it all over the internet because we want to see it. There you go, grabbing Ladesh, and a quick shop update for you. Again, if you want to win the Denali and 10 grand, link down below. Now let's go get this new car. I'm pretty pumped. I'm tired of waiting. Jim is calling me right now. Now we are, of course, at Monderbach Ford picking up the car. Now you might remember a few uploads ago I talked about getting this car and I paid for it. So that's the good news. The good news is I already paid for the car and everything. All the paperwork is done. All the boring crap is done, fully done. So we only have to focus on the fun part today. I talked about maybe going to Texas to pick it up because it's from Texas. And I decided it would have been really fun. I think we would have enjoyed it.
Super fun.
Could have gone to Buc-ee's and all that, and we really enjoyed the Miami to PA trip in the TRX, but I decided against it because in that trip with the TRX, we hit that cone on the highway, and I think it kind of scarred me because I was like really worried about something happening to the car on the way. That's a really long trip, and I'm gonna drive it, you know, as kind of a daily, so I'm sure something will happen to it, but I was kind of freaked out, I think, by that incident, and I didn't want to drive it all the way from Texas in one shot. Stuff is always gonna happen to your car, but if you can at least make it not happen in the first drive, that would be nice, and the TRX didn't have that luxury. The TRX got nailed on the first trip. Rolling up now, Gina's got the camera. They do have a yellow Mach 1 out front. That's pretty sweet, I have to say. Yellow Mach 1, ooh.
That's pretty sweet.
What do you, that is pretty badass. Wow. Great color on the Mach 1. A little more like neon yellow though. Not quite like the Urbus and whatever car I'm getting right now.
Yeah, it's like a little greenish.
That's a little like, that's like Workfest. 911 Turbo S and,
oh my
what's
God.
That? Woo! Oh man. It looks so freaking good. It looks, oh my God, it looks so freaking good.
Oh, there's yellow seats? I know nothing about this car.
Oh,
I
yeah,
didn't know
it's got
what it was
everything.
supposed to look like or
Yeah,
anything.
I kind of surprised Gina on this one. She doesn't know a whole lot about it. She knows it's a Lambo though. Urus 911 Turbo, and there she is. 2020 Huracan Evo in, I believe, if I'm correct, the same exact color as the Urus. Oh, she looks so good in there. Really excited. That color is phenomenal. You guys know yellow, building the all yellow garage in 2023. Oh my God, it's gonna be so awesome. My favorite picture ever is you on the parking garage roof with the Urus and the Gallardo. We gotta recreate it now with the Urus and the Huracan Evo.
We absolutely have to.
Oh man.
Especially because the new wheels. I didn't have new wheels in that picture.
Yeah, you had the stock wheels.
Yeah.
They didn't look too great. Those look fantastic. This car looks phenomenal. If we could only get someone to open the door. What's up, buddy? How are you? Good to see you. Oh my God, what a day, man. Oh my God, the center lock wheels. Now that's an option I wanted. A lot of these cars actually come with these steel brakes, which I did not want the steel brakes. Had to get the carbon ceramics and the center lock wheels. Super freaking cool. This one's gonna be a long-term car because this will be. This one really will. I promise. This one will be because this is going to be eventually a twin turbo car.
You get one every month.
Yeah, don't you want me to just keep getting new ones all the time? Eventually twin turbo car. And
This
that's,
one?
yeah. That's kind of what I have to explain to you guys. I got to explain everything about this car and why I'm getting a Huracan and all that, but I love it. I'm super pumped. Haven't had a supercar in the garage in a while. Feels really good to get back in one, especially a Lamborghini. Now, I did think about some other options, maybe R8, you know, other things, but I feel like a Lamborghini for me is just right. Didn't even notice that little detail. The diffuser is yellow. That's pretty neat. Now the whole car is PPF'd already. Thank God we need that. That would have helped to protect it on the drive. The center exit exhaust, like the SVJ a lot actually. That looks very familiar. Let's see, how do you open the Huracan door like that? Okay.
I know you're slumming it.
I'll have to get used to the doors not going up though. Look at these seats. The yellow accents are crazy. Oh my God, it looks so good. That is wild. But yeah, being the Evo has the fully updated interior, which is a huge difference comparing this car to the old Huracans. I mean, way better. The Huracans were definitely starting to show their age here in the last few years. So the 2020 update, the Evo update was really nice. You get a whole digital dash, you get the whole screen in the center. Very similar to, you know, the Urus and other Audi products, but wow, that looks really good. I get 2 keys.
First time.
Wow, first time.
2 keys.
You know why, Jim? Because Lambo guys, like,
Oh, yeah.
when they sell it, they steal one to be like, oh,
They
keep
all
it.
get- It's
Right.
not just Lamborghini, it's Ferrari, it's Porsche, it's all of them.
They steal the keys.
Except for the ones that I get.
Well, why are they like that? I may or may not have stolen a key once in a while in my life too for my vehicles.
You're part
that I
of the
sold.
problem,
I am part of the problem. I'm definitely part of the problem, but we'll keep that a secret. I got 2 keys for this one. You want to fire it up, babe? Yeah, I guess now 2 clicks down to Corsa.
Oh yeah.
All right, okay. Oh man, this car looks so freaking good. I love the center lock wheels. That sounds pretty good, as it is. It's actually pretty loud, I gotta say. It's pretty loud for factory. It's pretty loud. What a great looking car though. Don't worry, she's about to get a lot louder. This car is going to get a lot louder. Looks fantastic though. Love the yellow. All the yellow accents. It looks great.
That's a big difference. First time.
Like the Aventadors, they don't really go on their own.
Yeah.
Like they don't go. You have to press the gas. This one just goes.
Well, that's good. My God. That's actually so nice for whenever you have to pull it in the garage.
Oh yeah, because you don't have
That
to
is
like.
always stressful.
You don't have to like lurch forward. Sounds so good.
It does.
I really love the interior too.
Uh-huh.
The interior is like minimal but really nice and clean.
Yeah, it's so
Got everything
nice.
you want.
It's not too much.
Got the screen in here. Wow, the screen.
Yeah, look
here.
at the
I'll
fancy
show them the
screen.
screen. This screen is really nice. That might be kind of cooler than the Urus, babe. I hate to say. Wow, The screen is sweet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is awesome. My SVJ was a 2019, so only like a year older than this, basically being built at the same time. But the Aventadors looked about 20 years older than this. Looks so new and so good. Oh my God, what? That's factory. I can't believe that's factory. Oh my God, that's factory exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, that is alarming then, because with an exhaust, this car is going to be insanely loud. Wow. Huracan is one car I never thought I wanted to have because I had the Aventadors, but I really liked the Evos when they came out. I loved the updates, and I think this is really good. I'm really pumped. This is going to be amazing. It's got 4,000 miles on it, essentially brand new. Look at all like the cool writing they do. Lambo does everything so well, and that's why I did think about maybe an R8 or something else, but I kept coming back to a Lambo. I feel like I'm a Lambo guy, and that's my brand. I've always loved them. Like many kids, I had the poster on the wall. I literally had a poster on the wall and many Lamborghini model cars. And although I thought about getting an R8 or the other things, like I said, I kept coming back to a Lambo, and I felt like I really wouldn't be happy about it unless I had a Lamborghini. And now seeing them side by side, pretty sure I made the right decision. I'm pretty freaking sure I made the right call. They look incredible. She can't have a faster car than me though, Jim. Come on,
Well,
that's
I mean, it's
not
got
allowed.
the same amount of horsepower.
Yeah, look at the key.
That's
Matches.
a really
There's two
pretty
of them
key.
that match. Okay,
Woo!
so
The 911, yeah, I mean, I talk about it on the channel a lot, like I'm not the biggest Porsche guy, but please know that I don't mean they're not great cars. I think they're incredible cars. Probably, if we're being honest, I think Porsche is the best sports car brand out there when it comes to build quality, how the car drives, reliability, all that. But I just don't get super pumped about them. However, that doesn't mean they're not incredible. That's not bad. On a day like today, that's not bad.
I like it. The top down is fun.
The top down is hard to beat. On a nice day.
Night vision.
Oh my gosh.
It's thermal. So at night, if
A
it
thermal
detects-
camera?
Yeah, it's the
What?
bump on the front. Yeah, so if it detects a deer or a person,
gosh.
it'll actually stop the vehicle for you.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Wow. Yeah, imagine the girls and I in here.
I could see it.
I can imagine it.
I could see it. I think the Urus is just a tad darker, maybe, without the metallic flake. Still really close, but you can see a lot of flake on the Huracan, a little bit less here, a little bit more pastel on the Urus. Still looking phenomenal side by side though. They really do match pretty well. Gallo Inti. Yeah, Gallo, Gallo, Inti. That one's all gay. All gay, I don't know. It's Gallo, all gay. 2 keys.
I'm so pumped.
Dude, that's exciting. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, as always. Thank you, Monterbach Ford. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Ladesh. Enjoy that Volkswagen, I mean Porsche.
A race?
No. No. All right, boys. Well, I'll see y'all at home. First drive video coming soon. All right, so the full first drive video will be live shortly, but I had to give you a little taste here. Now let's go, we're in Strada. Let's go sport mode. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds so good. Get on our little bit here. Oh, got a truck pulled over. And go. What do you think? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh, the stock sound is incredible. I gotta say, that's surprising to me, but I think I like this car. Still super impressed by the sound. for being bone stock. All right, guys, well, there you go. Yellow Huracan back home, Urbus back home. Most importantly, Scoot Ski still here, rocking and rolling. But yes, the garage is looking pretty good. I don't think it's been this cool since the Gallardo and the Urbus, and that was like I think over 3 years ago, which is insane. But yes, I am going to make you wait a few days, not too long, but a few days for the first actual driving video. I feel like the delivery day video is more about getting the car, and the excitement of the car kind of overwhelms the driving. I want to get a little bit more used to it. You know, give me a few days to get comfortable, and then we'll go out together for a first drive. And I did save flooring it a lot and some real pulls for that upload. I didn't do any yet. I did one from down low, and it was fast. That car felt like a little rocket ship. I don't know if it's the all-wheel drive or the dual clutch or both, but it felt I was actually like, whoa, it was way faster than I thought. And obviously I've been in cars way faster, but it really took me by surprise. And that means when that car has 2 turbos on it and some boost, it's going to be insane. That's a really good segue into why I bought the car. Think of this car as the Viper ACR replacement and ZR1 replacement. Now, I'm not selling that car, a very important update on the car coming soon, but the Viper was meant to be the ZR1 replacement for the same reason that I'm not modifying the ZR1 right now. And that's because I've gone back and forth a lot on it, I know, but I don't want to touch it because I really think it's so good the way it is. I don't want to over modify it. And I figured getting something completely different would be a better route. That way I know the ZR1 is good. And I think for that power level anyway, I mean, there's a reason why you don't see too many Corvettes at 1400 wheel on the street, because if you want that, you need something like this. You got your options of a Viper, which I had and I didn't like, an R8 Huracan or a GTR, and I'm not a Nissan guy. So that leaves R8 or Huracan, and I felt like for me, I know they're identical, but for me, I think the Lambo is a little bit of a better fit. I don't know. I mean, I might be biased. Maybe just a tad, a little bit biased for Lambo here. But yeah, I think the car is a great fit, and because I love the base car itself so much, unlike the Viper, making it 3 times as fast, I'm only going to love it even more. A lot more. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Now, as awesome as the car is, it's not nearly as awesome as this headlamp. So check out the website, 717supply.com, link down below. And this headlamp or this awesome shirt could win you a 2022 Denali and 10 grand in cash. If you did enjoy, give this upload a big thumbs up, take care, and have a great night.